face looks better on the camera because I put some makeup on. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to teach you guys how to make an onion ring wrap. So it is a very simple recipe and it is so delicious, so I want to show you guys how I make it. I didn't find the recipe online, I just went to the supermarket to buy some random ingredients and then put them all together and make something that is very delicious and very good. So I thought I would just share it with you guys so that you guys can try it. So yeah, let's go to the video and see how I make my onion rings wrap. Step 1. Prepare your ingredients. You will need onion rings, shredded cheese, roasted seaweed, wraps, and seafood sauce. Step 2. Put your onion rings into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Take them out when they are cooked. Step 3. Put your wraps onto a plate. Step 4. Put your roasted seaweed into a bowl. Step 5. Put your shredded cheese into a bowl. Step 6. Put a few pieces of roasted seaweed onto the wrap. Step 7. Put a few onion rings onto the wrap. Step 8. Put some cheese onto your wrap. Step 9. Put some seafood sauce onto your wrap. Step 10. Fold your wrap into half and fold it again. Step 11. Eat. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.